Now in this section, we will be talking about 7 basic quality tools. The history of these tools go back to the period of 1950 and 1960. That was the time when lots of tools, lot of techniques, lot of philosophies were developed in Japan. This is one of those things which were emphasized in 1950-1960 period of time. These were emphasized by quality guru Ishikawa and all the quality circle members. And quality circle members are the people who work together to work on a particular problem. So a group of 5, 6, 7 workers, people who are working on a machine, people who are working on a process, they will meet together and work on a problem. So these people who are part of quality circle, these people were taught these 7 quality tools to solve their problems, to improve the processes. So when we are looking at these tools, remember that we are talking of 1950-1960 time when there were no PCs, no laptops, no smartphones. In absence of those facilities which we today take for granted, having a laptop, having a PC, we take it for granted. Without these, people used to work with these tools at that time using a piece of paper and a pen. So once you look at these tools, look from that point of view that people even at that time were using these to improve quality. Today, we have lots of software which can help us in making these things quicker and faster, but still the basic concepts still remain the same. These tools are still applicable today as well. So whatever work you are doing, you can use one of these tools, one or more of these tools to improve your processes. Let's look at the list of those 7 basic quality tools and then we will go one by one and look at each of these.